Righto, drift in on that, buddy. A bit small, I think, mate. Yeah, it's a boy, but a little bit too small. How good is this? We're in a little creek just north of Wudgel on the lower Eastern Cape. Our plan from here is to track south using a whole heap of tracks that the locals have told us about. Now, why I'm excited is because they have guaranteed that we're going to take in some of the most spectacular rainforest that Queensland has got to offer. This is going to be one heck of an adventure. Well, what a cracking night on the beach, but aren't they always? Joining me on this trip is my mate Nathan from Leisure Matters, and he's brought along one of his brand spanking new campers. Also along is my old mate Jamie. It's been a fair while since he and I hit the tracks together, so I'm really looking forward to this.